A substance with a half-life is decaying exponentially. Initially there is 25 grams of the substance, and after 10 hours there are 15 grams. Part A says how many grams remain after 24 hours, and Part B says after how many hours will there be 0.5 grams remaining. So my first step is to find K. And I want to identify my information. So A is equal to 15. A0 is 25. K we don't know. And T is equal to 10. So K is equal to ln of 15 over 25 divided by 10. And if you want to reduce the 15 over 25, you can, but you don't have to. So I want to graph y is equal to 25e raised to the ln of 15 over 25 divided by 10 times x. So I've gone into the y equals menu and typed in my equation into y1. Next I want to go to the window, and I know because there's initially 25 grams of the substance that I want to make my y max 25. Now I don't know what a good x max value will be, so I'm just going to start at 10 and then graph it. So there's our graph, and as we can see it looks like it's going to continue to decrease. So I want to increase my x max so that my window can see it. So go back to the window menu and let's try 100. So the window is not an exact science, and this is a much better window. Part A says how many grams remain after 24 hours. So the 24 hours, that's a t value, or that's an x value. So I want to use the calc value command and type in x is equal to 24. So I'm going to the calc menu, and then number 1 is value, and then I want to type in 24 and then press enter, and this will be our answer. So rounded to 3 decimal places, that's 7.337 grams. Part B says after how many hours will there be 0.5 grams remaining. So the 0.5, that's a y value. So I want to type in 0.5 for my y2 and then use the calc intersect command. I want to type 0.5 into my y2 and then go to the calc menu and select the intersect command, and then it will say first curve, so I want to press enter, and then second curve, and I want to press enter, and then make a guess and press enter, and then this will be the intersection point. So the x value is what I'm looking for. So my final answer for part B is 76.582 hours.